If you've installed Plantation shutters elsewhere in your house, there are many reasons to consider installing them on exterior doors as well. Doing so provides a consistent look throughout your home, light control, and privacy. Sometimes standard Plantation shutters don't leave enough room for lever handles. If you prefer to keep your lever handle on your door, a cutout can be ordered as a specialty option for your shutters. Another solution is to replace your lever with a knob. This is the cheapest option. It can usually be done for under $100. It's a process anyone can accomplish in approximately 30 minutes with only a screwdriver. To remove the lever, first unscrew the Allen keyhole on one or both sides of the fixture. Then, remove the lever and the backplate. Unscrew the screws on either side of the cylinder beneath the backplate to remove the cylinder. Slide your new doorknob into the protruding screw posts. Insert your new screws into the corresponding holes on either side of your doorknob and then screw them in. Make sure your doorknob turns the deadbolt correctly and the lock prevents the knob from turning. Enjoy your new doorknob and shutters.